Wow. Hello, everyone.
Google just wrapped up their Cloud Next event, and it was nothing short of impressive. They unveiled a series of announcements that not only surprised many of us, but also clearly demonstrated how seriously they're stepping up their game in the world of AI. In this video, I'll break down the key highlights, share the biggest takeaways, and give you my personal insights on why Google is pulling ahead in the AI race. Google kicked things off with a major announcement: the launch of their most advanced AI chip yet, called Ironwood. This powerhouse is designed to handle the most intelligent AI systems, ones that don't just answer questions but actually think, reason, and make decisions. Ironwood is built for what Google is calling the age of inference, a time when AI doesn't just respond to your queries, it understands them and replies like a real assistant. Here's the mind-blowing part. Ironwood can link up to 9,000 chips using advanced cooling systems and ultra-fast networking. That creates a setup 24 times more powerful than today's largest supercomputers. What does that mean in practice? Faster, smarter AI models like Gemini and AlphaFold running more efficiently than ever. It's got more memory, greater efficiency, and the ability to take on massive tasks without lag. In short, Ironwood is the engine driving the next generation of intelligent AI, and it's expected to roll out later this year. So yes, all those predictions you've heard about AI compute power skyrocketing, they're absolutely on point.
Compared to our first publicly available TPU, Ironwood achieves 3,600 times better performance, an incredible increase. It's the most powerful chip we have ever built and will enable the next frontier of AI models. In the same period, we've also become 29x more energy efficient, and Amin will share more later today. This progress is laying the foundation for breakthroughs across multiple fields.
We also got a first look at Google's Media AI, which brings together multiple types of content: text, images, audio, and video into one unified experience, now available on their enterprise platforms. Now, if you're an everyday user, this might not sound like a big deal yet. But features like these tend to make their way into consumer tools pretty quickly, and when they do, they'll likely become incredibly useful in daily life. You'll start seeing a lot of these capabilities integrated into Google Workspace tools very soon. What made this part of the event especially fascinating is just how many AI models Google actually has, many of which most people haven't even heard of. Models like Lyria for music and Chirp for speech recognition are already in the mix, showing just how broad and deep Google's AI ecosystem really is.
Beyond Gemini, over the last year, we've made huge improvements to Imagen 3, our highest quality text-to-image model, which generates images with better detail, richer lighting, and fewer distracting artifacts than previous models. Imagen delivers accurate prompt adherence, bringing your creative vision to life with incredible precision. We also introduced Chirp 3 to help you create custom voices with just 10 seconds of input and to weave AI-powered narration into your existing recordings. Today, we're making Lyria available on Google Cloud to transform text prompts into 30-second music clips, and we're the first hyperscaler to offer this capability. Let's hear a clip from Lyria. VO2 is our industry-leading video generation model. It generates many minutes of 4K video, watermarked with SynthID, to ensure they can be identified as AI generators. It gives creators unprecedented creative control with new editing tools, including camera presets to direct shot composition and camera angles without complex prompting, first and last shot control to define the beginning and the end of a video sequence with VO seamlessly bridging the gap, and dynamic in-painting and out-painting for video editing and scaling. With Gemini, Imagine, Chirp, Lyria, and Veo, Google is the only company that offers generative media models across all modality. And all of them are available to you today on Vertex AI.
Google's Vertex AI Media Studio is a powerful platform for creating AI-generated videos. It comes with preset camera angles and showcases real-world use cases you can start using today. It's a game changer for content creation.
Given where we are, we're going to use Las Vegas skyline as a perfect backdrop for what we're going to do with Vertex AI Media Studio. So let's go ahead. We're going to start by bringing in the Las Vegas skyline image. Really high quality, beautiful image. We're going to generate video, but here's the new hotness. Check it out. Camera presets built right into Veo. Panning left, panning right, time-lapse, tracking shots, and even drone shots. So let's go ahead and submit a drone shot of the city skyline. There we go. We'll go and submit this. Now, normally this would take a few seconds. I ran this earlier today, so it's cached, so it's going to be a little quicker than normal. All right, let's look at video number 1. Absolutely spectacular. We have the ability to see the fountains, the Eiffel Tower. Now let's go ahead and take a look at video number 2. A different angle that Veo creates for us. Again, stunning imagery. You can see the clouds in the background, and look at the cars driving up and down Las Vegas Boulevard. Absolutely incredible. Now, one video is not going to do it for the concert promo we want to do, so I want to show you some of the other videos that I created. I have one here of the stage being set up, all through the power of Veo. I have one of the band. I even have one of the audience actually clapping for what they're about to see. This will be a good reminder for all of you. Now, something very interesting happened. It turns out that Veo can do something that my 12-year-old can do, and that is be an expert in photobombing. It turns out that this great video we just saw has a crew member, and we love our crew members. However, in this case, I'd like to feature the guitar because the guitar is the most important part of the band. So let's go ahead and use Veo's new in-painting capability. And I'm sorry, sir, I apologize. I know you're very good at your job, but I am going to have to remove you from this image. We will send flowers to you and your family, though, sir. Let's use the new in-painting capability. Wait a couple of seconds, and let's see what we see. Now, if this does what I think it does, it should preserve every single aspect of what we saw before, just without our stagehand. Look at that. Okay, so we got some video clips. Now we need some music. Let's try the first clip I created with Lyria and see how we like it. You know, that's not quite my tempo. I need music that's going to make all of you feel like I'm never going to give you up. I'm never going to let you down. I'm never going to run around and desert you. So, let's try clip number 2 and see how that works. All right, we have the recipe. I like that tune better. We've got the videos. We've got the music. Let's pull it all together and see what it looks like. Here we go. Play it, Sam.